Everybody, Sharif at SS Customs. I'm here in Redwood City, California at our new location, and we're working on this Audi R8 V10 for a customer who just dropped off his car. He's been waiting patiently for over 3 months. He had another car on order that he was going to bring to us to get us basically the same exact color done, and he just couldn't wait for that car anymore. Everything got delayed in production with a lot of automotive manufacturers. So I ended up buying an Audi R8 V10, and he's super stoked on this car. And the color we're actually gonna do with this car is in the KPMF Matte Ice Blue Titanium. It's a really cool color, has kind of like an anodized blue look and kind of give you a satin blue chrome color without paying the satin blue chrome price. And overall, it's kind of got its own unique custom flair to it. And this car is gonna get door jams, powder coated wheels, painted calipers, a bunch of other services done at the same time. Red cars are always a pain in the ass to wrap, as any rapper knows. So this car, we really got to get into the nitty gritty and take it apart properly to make sure that the red doesn't show through anywhere.
can't imagine this, guys. You have no idea, man. To have the car and to have the clip out like this and shit. Dude, this is crazy. This is like magazine level car right here. No, I know. I can't wait to see it in the sun. This is awesome.